last century, earning a livelihood was more important than enjoying the work. Many people couldn't do what they wanted due to limited options and resources. But scenario has changed. Parents are supporting their next generation in their search for passion. But passion is still elusive in spite of all the support, options and resources. Hi professionals, this is Utkarsh Rai, and today, based on viewers' demand, I am going to talk about how professionals can discover passion. Mahatma Vidur in the epic Mahabharata says there are 6 components of happy life, and the very first one of them is Arthagamo, that is cash flow. So my first advice to you is that take some assignment or job which can run your house, because once the basics are taken care of, then only you will be able to pursue your passion. And you can pursue your passion in parallel to job, and passion can become your job too. 6th component of happiness is Arthakari cha Vidya, means fruitful knowledge. So if you are passionate about doing something, you will gain more insight and you will be more knowledgeable. So watch my video to learn how to discover passion in 3 stages, and I will run all these 3 stages based on my own example of being an author, fitness enthusiast and actor for better understanding. And do watch my playlist of videos to get solutions to your work challenges. Stage 1. Choose the right activity. First, make a list of all the activities which you dream of doing, and don't get influenced by what your teachers, parents and others thought about you, what you are good at. Chemistry teacher of Thomas Lindahl failed him in chemistry, and later on Thomas Lindahl got Nobel Prize in chemistry. So make the dream list of activities and ask these 2 important questions against each activity. First question: by doing which activity you submerge yourself and lose track of time? Everyone enjoys doing certain activities. You should identify those and keep those activities in top of your dream list. And then ask second question: which activity you do with ease in comparison with others? Certain activities you might be doing faster and better in comparison with others because it comes naturally to you. It could be stock market analysis or video games or prototyping any tech idea and so on. So now you have only those activities in the top of the list which has passed both these questions. 2 decades back, I wanted to share my professional experiences by writing, and I asked the same 2 questions, and it took me 6 to 9 months to get an affirmative answer. A decade later, I added fitness, and it took me 1 year to get an affirmative answer. And now I am pursuing acting, and it is still in the dream stage. It has not fully passed the 2 questions. So at stage 1, you might take few months to few years depending upon the activity. Stage 2, experiment the activity. Many a times after an initial euphoria dies, people lose interest. But if you really want to build a passion, you have to do things repeatedly and regularly and turn it into a habit. In a decade, I wrote 3 management books and 1 fitness book by making it a habit of writing almost every day, even if it is just 15 minutes, irrespective of mood. I was borderline obese and I hit gym and I go regularly, and the first visible result came only after 6 months. So professionals, you have to experiment the activities, and it will take few years depending upon the activity. If you can endure, then you are really serious about building a passion. Third stage, expertise on the activity. After experimenting for years, you should ask this question to yourself, even if your passion is for self-satisfaction. Am I entering into the top 20% league? Why this question is important? Because after a while, passion might start becoming boring. And in order to keep the motivation alive and passion running, you have to ask this question. Even after transformation at 4:30 p.m., I still get an itch to go to gym to improve further. So now you have discovered your passion after going through all these 3 stages, and now you can ask, can your passion become your job? Again, the same point. The first component of happiness is Arthagamo, that is cash flow. If your passion is giving you cash flow, to run your house, then certainly your passion can become your job. But is this the end of the passion? No. Dopamine, the happiness hormone, increases manifold when you are anticipating a good result than actually getting the result. So once you arrive at your passion, dopamine will reduce. So how are you going to keep your dopamine high? Go back to the sixth principle, Ardhakari Cha Vidya, that is fruitful knowledge. Set aside 15-20% of your time and start looking for a new passion and go through all the three stages. And that is how people start adding more and more passion into their life. Bill Gates added philanthropy later in his life, and I am adding different passion at different stage of my life. So professionals, now you know how you can discover your passion in three stages and also how to add more passion in life for more happiness. I hope you like this video. Do like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.